Today I'm flipping some cheap Kirkland's furniture and turning it into a beautiful, more modern piece that will look fabulous in anyone's entryway. I'm after a quick flip for some quick profits this week, so let's see if I can do it. Come join me in the garage. I found this piece on Facebook Marketplace and I thought it was so adorably cute, but full disclosure, I totally thought this was a dresser and I got so excited that I messaged the seller before I even looked at the measurements. So I paid $60 for this, which in my opinion is way too much considering that it's not a dresser after all. But apothecary type storage is a super hot item right now, so watch me flip this and let's see what kind of profit we can make. If you are new here, my channel is all about how our family paid off $64,000 in debt just from our side hustle of flipping furniture. And I share all my tips and techniques with you every week, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. Everything gets a good scrub down with Simple Green to get started. This is a laminate piece of furniture that is very slick and shiny, so prep is going to make all the difference for my paint to stick. The hardware is all here, present and accounted for. Originally when I saw this, I thought I would buy some new hardware and give it a bit of a different look, but honestly, since I spent more money than I wanted to on the piece, and I don't think this is going to sell for a high dollar amount, I don't know, we'll see. I don't think that I'm going to replace the hardware. Let's see if I can make the old poles on this work. I get lots of viewer questions on where my masks are from, and these are RZ masks. I'll put the link in my description below so you can find out where to purchase these. I am getting close to having 600,000 views on our channel, and I'm going to do a really fun giveaway once we hit that number, and it will definitely include your very own RZ mask in the giveaway. Like I mentioned before, this piece is laminate and very slick, so to get great adhesion from my paint, I'm giving everything a scuff sand with my 3x4 raised sander from Surfprep. Be sure to visit the Surfprep website with the link below and use code LEMONS10 to save 10% on all your purchases. Now that I've made quite a mess, we'll wipe everything back with some warm water and get ready to paint. I am having a hard time choosing what paint to use today, so the first one is Warm Sienna by Lily Moon Paint. The next one is the color Rattan. And last is Ivory Coast. Which one would you guys have chosen for today's flip? I loved all of them for different reasons, but I ended up feeling pretty strongly about one, which you'll see eventually. But let me know what color you would have picked in the comments below. Laminate surfaces usually need to be primed, and since I'm going from a dark color to most likely a lighter color, starting with a primer is a good idea. I like to use Rust-Oleum's 2-time bonding primer. It offers great adhesion and it dries really quickly in between coats. I'll be using my gravity-fed HVLP spray gun. All my products are going to be listed in the description box below. For best results with the spray gun, I like to strain my paint before I start, and the Lily Moon paint goes flawlessly through the gun here. I don't need to add water for this to go on very smoothly. I'll give my piece a quick scuff sand with a 220 grit sanding block just to make sure that the primer is totally smooth before I start to paint. My cameraman, aka my husband, is out in the garage helping me today, and he's picking on me as I try to figure out how I'm going to get an extra pair of hands to help me out here. My RZ mask is on and I am ready to paint. I went with the color Ivory Coast by Lily Moon Paint, and I think this was the perfect choice. Wait till you see the end. I noticed that about 65% of you who watch my channel are not subscribers. If I've earned your viewership, I sure would love to have you over here as a regular. Thanks in advance for hitting that button. I am racing daylight here for my second coat of paint, so I'll give a quick scuff sand to ensure the top is nice and smooth, and 2 coats is all I'm going to need for full coverage. I decided to use Lily Moon's top coat in Stellar Shield. This is a new product to me, so I'm really excited to try it. It's water-based, it's low VOC, and it has more of a matte finish to it, so it's not very shiny, which will be perfect for this project. The original poles were a bit too brassy for this new look, so I toned them down with a couple of coats of Champagne Mist by Rust-Oleum. Now that the hardware is dry, it's time to start putting this back together. Here's a quick reminder of what our sad little Kirkland apothecary type storage dresser, or whatever this is, looked like before. And here it is after. Be sure to join me next week as I tackle this beat-up buffet and once again turn lemons to lemonade. I'll see you soon.